Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. Gun-slobbering, animal-killing cowards are at it again. 12 masterpiece wolves slaughtered in the first 12 hours of Wyoming's 3-month-long bloodbath against our friends, the wolves. Really? Get a grip, bully scumbags. Wolves are doctors of the forest. They keep deer and moose, caribou, and other large four-legged ungulates healthy by culling the sick and the weak. With all the bloodshed this week in Las Vegas, enough is enough. Cowards, get cameras. Stop murdering innocent, defenseless creatures. Psychotic losers. Get a life. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be bashful. Come on to drreese.com. DRREESE.com and click on that donate button. And while you're there, pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, and life, the wonder of it all. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.